I want to talk to you about chill hours today. I'm going to admit, when I first started buying trees, I had no idea what a chill hour was. The only thing I knew is that there were a few trees that I bought, and in the description, it talked about how many chill hours it needed. And so most of the time, it was 200, 400, 800, 900. Those are the ones that I typically saw. And I thought, well, that really doesn't matter. I'm just going to buy things that I really like. I'm going to show you two trees where that kind of bit me. These are two of my older trees. These are the ones I put in the ground before I knew anything about chill hours. So let me tell you what a chill hour is. A chill hour is any hour during the year where the temperature is between 32 and 45 degrees. Now, old school would say anything that's below 45 degrees, but most people now use any hour that is between 32 and 45 degrees. So here, typically where I'm at, we get about 600 to 800 chill hours. Usually you can bank on about 650. So what I'm looking for is I'm looking for a tree that needs about 400 chill hours, maybe 5, and I'll push 6, okay? And I do that so that my trees don't have too few, because if they have too few, that's what I have with this peach tree. When I first started buying, I don't remember what kind of peach tree this is, but I know that it blooms early every year. And when I say early, it's too early. It's December right now. We have a lot of cold coming through in January and February. We'll even have some chill in March. We're going to have some cold freezes in January. And here's my problem. That's right. That's a bloom. And if you see right here, all my blooms are starting to swell. Now, so what's going to happen is it may bloom, but freeze is going to kill all the potential fruit that I'm going to have on this tree. So every year we get very few peaches off of this tree. The only reason I keep it, I guess I'm nostalgic a little bit. It's one of the first trees that I bought. And so it stays. Now on the other end, when I first started, I bought some cherry trees. Now I've spent a fortune on cherry trees. I do have some that say 400 chill hours. Chill hours aren't the only things you need to look at, but I do have some that say 400. But here's one here that requires 900 chill hours. I'm never gonna get 900 chill hours. Or I shouldn't say never. Hardly ever. It's going to be very rare that I get 900 chill hours. So this tree won't ever fruit. So here's the problem. With the peach tree here, there's too few, so it's going to bloom too early, and then frost is going to kill all my blooms. With this one, it's 900, and it's not going to get enough chill hours, and so it's not going to fruit. It's not going to fully come out of dormancy. It's not going to break down the hormones in the branches. That's what's the cold breaks that down. It's not going to fully break down, and it's not going to produce fruit. Now, when I said chill hours aren't the only thing you need to consider, let's look at this here. This is another cherry tree that I have here. It's a Royal Rainer. It says, I believe it's 400 or 600. I can't remember, but it's within our range here. The problem is, don't just look at the chill hours. Check out your climate as a whole, because that cherry tree is not going to last here because it's too humid here. We have too much disease, and I cannot keep a cherry tree alive. I've given up on it at this point. I have put some cherry plum mix in the ground, and they seem to be doing fine, but these cherry trees just aren't making it. Now, I hear that you can put some sour cherries in and they do fine, but as far as a sweet cherry, it's not going to make it in my climate. So when you start to buy trees, fruit trees, you need to look at your climate, not just the temperature. You need to look at your chill hours. You need to look at the humidity. You need to look at the other species around. You need to make sure that that tree will be successful in your area, unless you just want to try it. And I'm gonna tell you, I'll throw a little money at a tree to see if it'll make it here in this climate. So I've probably had, well, I won't say that half, but probably a third of the trees that I put in the ground have died. If I find a good deal on one, if it's at the end of the year, and I'm like, hey, I'm going to try that. Now, if I'm going to pay full price for a tree, I'm going to make sure that it's going to grow here, that it's going to be successful. Like this peach tree here, it's very successful every year. It makes some of our favorite peaches. Another thing that I've done is I've started to take seeds, and I have a peach tree here, seeds from the peaches that grow on my trees. They're the trees that do well here, and I've started growing these from seed. And so here is one that I've grown from seed. Now I've obviously got to prune this one. It's a little bit out of control here, but it'll get pruned into that nice vase shape and it'll be fine. Now, oh, look, as I looked up, it's starting to break bud with leaves and with blooms. Well, hopefully this tree will survive this year. It may not. We shall see. Check those chill hours. Do your research on chill hours. Most of the time, you can find a university that has the stations up. For us in Mississippi, Mississippi State University or Mississippi State Extensions, you can go to their website. You can check your area. So again, just go check it around here. Most of the time we have about 650, so 600 to 800. Check those chill hours.